Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to access Google Drive on your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Torch browser. Once your browser is open, head over to Google Drive website. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in into your Google account, you'll need to sign in. Just enter your email, then your password. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive dashboard. Here, you'll see all your files, folders, and documents that are stored in the cloud. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. My Drive contains all your personal files, while Shared with Me is where files shared by others will appear. To find a specific file or folder, use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the file or keyword, and Google Drive will display matching results. Prefer a different layout? You can switch between grid view and list view by clicking the view toggle icon in the top right corner. Did you know you can also access Google Drive directly from your computer's File Explorer? You just need to install the Google Drive for desktop apps, which syncs your files with your computer. Once installed, you'll see your Google Drive files directly in your computer's File Explorer, making it even easier to access them offline. Now that you're in Google Drive, you can upload, organize, and manage your files. Right-click on any file or folder for more options, like downloading, renaming, or sharing. And that's it. Now you know how to access Google Drive on your PC. Super easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.